Hello everyone. In this video tutorial, I'm gonna show you that how you can separate, the first name, middle name, and the last name using an Excel sheet. So let's say you have an entire data which has, a full name like first name, middle name, and the last name, and you will want to just separate the first name and the middle name and the last name. So here is the shortcut you can do it using Microsoft Excel. So let's say for demonstration, I have a data here, a small data, but it can work in the entire sheet as well. Long list of names, so it should go through. So here we go. So I'm just taking the cell, the first name, middle name, and the last name. So here this is how you can do that. So I'll just use it. The first name Brian, Brian. The middle name is Charles, and the last name is Lara. So once you're done with that, so this is the just one time activity you have to do, and then you have to select the entire column until you have the names. And when you are done, just press Ctrl and E from your keyboard, and you will see all the first names will appear in this first name column. And the same you have to do with the middle name and the last name. Select the entire column and then press Ctrl E, middle names, and yeah, of course the last name. Then you just click on here and Control E. So by this way you can easily separate the names, I mean initials and the names, the first name and the last name. So I hope you like this video. Thank you so much. You have a wonderful day. PC Guide for You is here to help you with your issues. For more updates, subscribe now.